Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're taking a look at GPT-5. OpenAI's GPT-5 is the company's latest flagship AI model, positioned as a major leap in reasoning, efficiency, and coding capabilities. Designed for outperform GPT-4o and older models, GPT-5 promises more accurate answers, fewer hallucinations, and enhanced personalization features. But despite its technical advances, its launch has sparked mixed reactions among users. So you get advanced reasoning with fewer errors, around 45% fewer mistakes than GPT-4o and up to 80% fewer than o3 in benchmark. Exceptional coding abilities, industry-leading performance on SWE Bench 75% and Either Polyglot 88% for complex code generation and debugging. It can complete tasks within 50 to 80% fewer output tokens, meaning faster, more concise results, and the ability to choose model personality like listener or cynic, etc., adjust tone, and use smoother voice interactions. It is better at planning, executing, and adapting across extended problem-solving sessions. Although, moving on to the drawbacks, colder and less friendly tone. Many users miss the emotional warmth of GPT-4o, finding GPT-5 more robotic and corporate. Reports of incorrect responses to simple questions and frustration over new usage limits led to OpenAI to re-enable GPT-4o for some subscribers. It is instrumental, not revolutionary. Some critics feel GPT-5 shows a plateau in innovation, focusing more on refinement than groundbreaking change. And finally, developers and productivity-focused users praise it, but casual and creative users sometimes find it less engaging. So GPT-5 represents a technical step forward in AI, particularly for coding, reasoning, and professional tasks. It's faster, more accurate, and more customizable than previous models. However, its cooler tone, initial rollout issues, and perceived lack of wow factor mean it may not fully replace GPT-4o in users' hearts just yet. For developers, researchers, and those who value precision over personality, GPT-5 is a clear upgrade. For those seeking warmth, creativity, or conversational charm, the jury is still out. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this.